Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. This is a non-native weevil from Japan. It was first observed in the United States in the year 2000, and it spread all throughout the eastern United States and Canada. So for the show, if we find a species that isn't native to that environment, it doesn't count. So in order for me to count this species, I'd have to travel to Japan and find it there, which makes the show a little more challenging and interesting. So only native species will count towards our Lifers list. All right, see you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe.